We're at the Blowing Rocks Preserve in Martin County, and you'll see this is a kind of classic mangrove area that you find along the coast, east coast of Florida. There are actually some mangroves on the west coast also. And behind us is the Indian River Lagoon. So this mangrove area is effectively the sort of land you had before the highway plowed through here, that connected the ocean to the lagoon. And there were restoration efforts that have been underway now for almost 3 decades. Really, this effort started in earnest in the early 90s. Here's a look at mangrove swamps. In the early 90s, to reconnect and re-nourish these mangrove areas to where there would be unimpeded flow, at least in some spots, in spite of the highway, from the beach area to the Indian River Lagoon. You hear some boaters with their things. Here's a great scene. There's an ibis down there in the mangrove area. Just saw it. It seems to have disappeared. I just spotted it. Not quite sure where it went, but this is generally what the entire area before human development looked like between the lagoon and the beach area and the ocean. Thank you for watching.